at 405 Unit A, Schubert Drive. We are entering through the front door here. In our main living area, we have carpeting, and then in the bedrooms as well, we have carpeting. Heading back towards our kitchen, we have all nice appliances here, lots of good lighting, and we have space for a breakfast table as well. Through this door, we have our back patio, our laundry closet, and our backyard area. Here is that living area again. There's our front door. Now, if we go to the right, we'll come to a short hallway. Our first right, we have a towel closet and our bathroom. So this is on the back side of the unit. Coming back out. Next, we have our first bedroom. This is the larger of the bedrooms. Again, this is on the back side of the unit, so it faces away from the street. We have a nice sized closet as well. Now going to our next bedroom. This is on the front side of the unit. Again, carpeting throughout the bedrooms and the main living areas, and there's our closet space. This does face the street, but we do have shrubbery to give some extra privacy, as well as window blinds. Heading back out. Again, this is 405 Schubert Drive, Unit A, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.